everyone, welcome back to the channel. What we have here, I have been waiting for around about 10 months. I'm hoping this is what it claims to be. The packaging looks a bit small, to be honest with you. I did actually get another package today and it's a lot smaller. The tool inside is a lot smaller, but the packaging is the same, so I don't really get it. So I'm hoping what is in here is what I've ordered. I've been waiting for these for about 10 months, as I say, so let's get into it, shall we? Where's the tool? Because we don't want to cut it. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, what we got? Get that out of the way for a start. Oh, come on, there you come. There we go. Oh, there we go, guys. What do you think of that? Out of it. Right, what do you think of that then, guys? What do we have here? We have a Knipex 8201-200. Wow. So as I say, I've been waiting for these for quite some time now, actually. Ouch, mind your finger, idiot. Cool, what do you think? These obviously screw pliers, as you can see there from the ouch, fingers again. Ugh. Cool, and they're a slip joint as well, so we can adjust them to about 5 different settings, I do believe. Cool, what do you think? Pretty neat. And I believe you can replace this spring on the back as well if necessary. Just push and adjust. As you can see, my Knipex collection is coming along quite nicely. Got these little teeny cobras here. Very nice. I chose this set with the dipped handles because I think the dipped handles go much nicer with the slimline design here. You can get the dual material handles, but I don't think personally they go quite so well with the pliers. So yeah, nice. So it'll be interesting to see how well these little fellas deal with rounded screws. The jaws here are, the jaws here are very similar to the Cobras. As you can see, they're just a bit more sort of wavy. They're rounded more than square. Nicely cut teeth in there. Oil all over it, but that's a good thing, really. Knipex, the spring. Move along to the nice handles here, nice and comfortable. These are these Knipex also have an anti-pinch system, so that you can't, no matter how wide you have them, you can't pinch yourself with them like some other styles of slip joint pliers. As you can see, you could get yourself a nasty little pinch there if you've got your fingers or your skin in there. You get quite a nice little, nasty little pinch there. But with the anti-pinch system on the Knipex, that is not going to happen. Okay then, so we did get what we ordered. As I say, I've been waiting, getting on for 10 months to get hold of a pair of these little fellows for my collection of pliers. Really bang up to date slip joints. Yeah, I believe you can also handle flat material, bar material in here, flat material in here. We can screw heads, obviously, rounded off screw heads. I do like the design, very nice design indeed. Nice and slim, nice and long, so you can really get into an area and get hold of a screw. As I say, this is just a first look at my new pliers. I will do a much better in-depth video later on so we can see exactly what they can do. And yeah. Okay guys, let me know down in the comments down below if you've got a pair of these. What do you think of them? Yeah, I think they're pretty smart looking pliers. I've been waiting long enough to get hold of them as well. Just delivered today. Nice. Alright then guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. You can also join me on Instagram, and I'm sure these will be appearing on Instagram fairly shortly. And yeah, thanks for popping over guys, to give you one more last look at the Knipex 82 01-200s. Let me know what you think. Let me know which is your favourite, this style or the one with the dual material. I say I prefer this one because it continues the nice slim profile. Okay guys, thanks for watching.